Hello and welcome to another video of our widget series, and today we are going to talk about our SOS widget. So let's go. So we are in our gas tank monitoring workspace, and we have some tanks in here and they have different measurements. As you can see in here, we monitor the fill levels of our tanks. We monitor also the pressure. And as you can see, when we go to configuration and we scroll down to the fields, we do have some Boolean values inside of our field list. For example, this needs refill is a Boolean value. And if we scroll down a little bit, we are going to see also that there are some suggested fields actually. And we can see that the battery is being sent signal, humidity, and temperature higher. This temperature higher is a Boolean, and it's also kind of an alarm about the temperature. So we are going to actually add this suggested field, this temperature higher field, and it's a Boolean. And we are going to add it to our list of fields in here. And we are going to use that one to create an SOS inside of the dashboard. So we are going to scroll up again. We are going to go to the dashboard and click on Edit Dashboard again and add a widget. And you will have to scroll down a little bit. We have a lot of new widgets, and you will find there our SOS widget. And the benefits of using the SOS widget is that you can actually reset the alarm on the dashboard. So in here, we are going to call it temperature SOS, for example. You can also add translations to it. We have the possibility to add an icon, for example, and that icon is going to appear next to the name. You don't have to, you can also remove it. And now to the juicy part is, of course, the data. And we have in there the two fields that are Boolean fields. We know already that a Boolean is a value that shows true or false, so a 1 or a 0. And we are going to select the temperature higher inside of here. And again, on appearance, you can always change a little bit the overall appearance of your widget. You have this widget color based on state as well, like on the Boolean widget, and you can use that to color the whole card based on the state of the field. And you can also hide background, you can hide last update, you can do several things to the overall looks of the widget. We're going to leave it like that and click on save. And we made space for it inside of our dashboard before. So we are going to just save it. And you are going to see it now very, very big inside of our dashboard. So now we can test it, and we can actually send an alarm in here. We are going to send an alarm manually just to test that the widget is actually working. So we are able to click on the 3 dots to the right and set value, and we can click on the temperature higher and we can say set value. So now the Boolean goes to true, and now we go to the dashboard and we can see when true SOS alarm is triggered. So true is actually an alarm, and it will color the widget in red. And now you can push on clear, and that is going to reset the value of the temperature higher field. And now you will see it in green again inside of your dashboard. So this is super useful whenever you have an alarm that should get disabled from the dashboard. So you again don't have to give your end user access to the configuration. You don't need to allow them to modify deeper configurations of the device, but they will be able to reset the alarm directly from the dashboard. So I hope that this video was useful. I hope that you learned how to use our new SOS widget and how to configure it from scratch. Please let us a comment underneath and let us know what you thought about it. If you had more questions, and if we can help you with anything, just write us, and stay tuned for the next one.